Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So it's time to give you some encased cases. So we'll start in this order here. I'll go ahead and just slide them aside here. And this first one is a 4-card holder, ultra durable cover is what it's labeled as. I don't really see an official name for it. It's the 2019 wallet case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's a ultra durable case with 4 cards you can put in here, and that is definitely the case. This thing is, oh man, but it's like a soft. Oh, this is nice, man. Military standards. That's what I'm talking about. And this definitely feels different than I thought it was going to feel. But you can put 4 cards in here. Let me see if I can grab some cards here. Let's see. Let's see if I got my wallet. All right, let's grab my business debit, my Sam's card. I'll just put a debit card in here too. And then what else do I got in here? Let's put my insurance card, one of my insurance cards. So I'll stack these four cards up right here. There they are. Let's see if they can fit in here. Yep, they fit snug. They fit snug. So you've got your mute switch there, volume rocker, and then you've got the power button here. You got a nice cutout for the camera. And then all your ports open on the bottom here. And this is this material here is very, very nice. So let's pop this inside here. Let's go power button first. If you haven't seen the mag glass install, check that video out too. I'll try to remember to link it down below. Now let me be honest here. I'm never really a fan of cases that have these types of card slots, but this one feels, it's like a sandstone upgrade. You know, the feeling of sandstone, it's that nice. It's pretty cool. I don't feel comfortable having my cards out like this, but with this case, I probably would do it just because of how tight it is. And you have to push here. You put 4 cards. 4 cards is what I would recommend putting in here just to be sure that they don't fall out. How about that? Now, wireless charging won't work with this case, obviously, because you've got cards in here and it's just not going to work. So let's move on here. Alrighty. That is the ultra durable case. Man, it's pretty nice. All right, let's put this one to the side here. And I'm going to grab my wireless charger now and get a power bank. Because I know you guys are going to ask if wireless charging works with some of these other cases, and I want to be able to demo them for you right now without giving a whole bunch of different videos for you. So let's just get this plugged up and put it off to the side right there. I'm going to put this case right here. Now let's go to the Scorpio. This is called the Scorpio armor case. Obviously this case is another hard shell type case, hard case, and you got the tough plastic. Lots of grip on this case, tons of grip around here, and on the sides not so much, but you've got a power button labeled right there, and then you've got your volume rocker. These are it has little bumps on them, so it feels really, really nice. All ports and everything are going to be the same on these cases, so let's pop it in. You have like a little textured in here impact. All right, let's pop this in here, and then let's just go straight to the man. This feels good, man. This feels good. Ironically enough, you know, this iPhone is big, but with a case on it, it doesn't actually feel that bad. It doesn't feel bad at all. So let's pop it on the wireless charger, and boom, it's wireless charging, as you can see there. So wireless charging works with this case. Drop protection on the corners, everywhere. You should have some serious protection with this and the mag screen protector. So let's pop this off. I'll put this up here. Now let's move on to the thin armor case. We all know about the thin armor series. This is for people that want some protection, but you don't want to waste time with too much of a bulky case. And this is the case that you want to go with. Again, there is the thin armor branding in the inside. Again, all ports and everything are going to line up. So let's get it right in here. I feel like doing one of Viper's boom shakalaka, whatever, boom shabaha, or whatever he says when he puts it on the wireless charger. Shout out to Vibe Nation, man. This is just a sleek looking case. Yeah, you've got lip protection. If I didn't mention, you do have lip protection on those cases right there, and you have lip protection on here. But again, couple it with this mag glass that they offer, and you should be good to go all from Encased. So button placement, everything is right. I'll put in my passcode since it went a little too long. All right, so volume rocker and everything is working good with these. Let's put it on the wireless charger. There it is. It's charging. You didn't hear any sound because I hit the vibrate switch, but here we go. And there we go. It is charging. So the thin armor, definitely a nice one. I might rock with that thin armor. I'm not sure yet. But my favorite case from Encased is right here, and you guys all know what it is. It's no secret. It is the Rebel series. The Rebel series is got to be like the top case for me from them. This is like the out of box killer to me. I mean, this thing, I mean, just look at it. It looks kind of warped, doesn't it? I think from being in the heat, it got kind of warped. I'm not sure. You see the little curve? I know you guys can see that. Yeah, I guess it was sitting in the warehouse too long. Let's see how it does on the phone. But this is one of their toughest, just the toughest cases ever, folks. It's normally a 2-piece case. Oh, that's what they did. They made it a 1-piece. Ah, gotcha, Encased. Got you. Not to say that you try to cheat us, but this used to be a 2-piece case. Now it's a 1-piece case. Let's get this on. Yup. Now it's a 1-piece. Okay, and it flattened out on its own. It's a 1-piece now. So only people that would know that is people that have been using Encased Rebel series for a long time. I caught you. Turned it into a 1-piece. Not to say that it's bad or anything, but maybe they had some complaints about the 2-piece setup. So it used to be like these cases right here, or this case right here, where there's a 2-piece come apart. But yeah, ports and everything are going to line up just fine. You've got obviously lip protection with this case right here. This is a rugged style case, man. So you're going to have lip protection with this all the way around, and obviously it works with the mag glass that they offer. So let's pop it on the wireless charger, and we're wireless charging. So there you have it, man. Case suite, little lineup here for you from Encased. Really solid set of cases, and you know, I think the thin armor might be the one that I go with this time around. Nothing wrong with any of the other cases. It's just more my style, you know what I'm saying? Or this Rebel series. But who knows, man? We shall see how this works out. This is the case lineup from Encased right now. Looking pretty hot. I'm really liking this joint. So we'll see you in the next video. Take care.